leadership and career goals and how we achieve them set the stage for everything else in life. Get these right and the trajectory of your life changes positively. Welcome to the platform where I help make your life experience way better. I mean, improving your overall quality of life, helping you navigate your relationship hurdles, inspiring leaders to make positive impact, providing tools, solutions for career advancements. Are you in a relationship? Married? Single? Probably divorced or just dating? Or are you in a career as a leader, or you may be aspiring to be one? Presently, you may be an employee as an individual contributor, or you may own your own business. You are in the right place where you get insightful, thought-provoking content.